When I first started seeing success on TikTok Shop and TikTok affiliates, I quickly realized that it's a different beast from other platforms. On TikTok, it's all about your videos. You are directly in front of your target audience and you don't need a huge following to see results, which is crazy. Now, one good video can go viral, it can blow up your entire store and build your brand or your shop overnight. But let's be real, that doesn't obviously happen for everyone right away. The best way to guarantee sales, it's to make videos that actually show why your product is useful or how it makes life easier. And because TikTok lets you link your products directly in those videos, it is perfect for getting those impulse buys more so than any other platform by far. Now, once you start making sales, the next step is to create even more content like that to keep the momentum going and make sure that you're maximizing that product's opportunity to the audience that TikTok now has identified wants it. It's pretty simple math at the end of the day. More videos equal more chances to go viral, which equals more sales. At first, I was making all my own content. I was recording, editing, and posting inside the TikTok app because they say that that boosts your reach. I don't really know if it does or not, but that's just what I had heard at the time. But doing that over and over got old really fast. It was eating up a ton of my time, and I realistically couldn't scale that way. I was just kind of spinning my wheels. Plus, I didn't want to be stuck in the constant grind of creating video after video just to keep the sales coming in. So I tried using Amazon products instead that had a bunch of reviews because most of them have video reviews that I could then use. And that worked, but again, there's a limit. You only have so many review videos to repurpose on each specific listing. And once you run out, you're kind of back at square one. And a little caveat here, when I talk about using Amazon review videos specifically, I am not saying to repost that same exact video. Obviously, okay? You need to edit them around. You need to make them into your own. But the benefit of using them is that you'll have some B-roll that you can use in your new video with a new voiceover in that specific case, and it kind of shortcuts the process, so to speak. But as far as scaling goes, the next logical step was to try to outsource the videos, right? Fiverr seemed like the obvious choice because I've used it so many times for other things in my business, but in my experience at least, the cheaper freelancers didn't do a good job, and the ones that did the quality work charged way too much to make it profitable and scalable over time consistently. But I finally found vidx.io, and it was the exact solution that I was looking for this. Now, they make video ads specifically for e-commerce sellers like you and me. So instead of spending hours making videos myself or overpaying someone on Fiverr, I gave them a shot instead, especially because that first video that you get, they offer for free, which is obviously zero risk. And it honestly was a game changer. They don't just send you random clips jumbled together. They create an actual ad video that's ready to post with a quality edit and a great voiceover about the product that tells a story and hooks the viewer. This approach has been a massive hack for me because I'm not burning out making new content constantly, and I can just keep testing and tweaking and scaling different products until I find one that works, which I can then focus my effort on. I can now just order all my product videos to test from vidx.io and then upload them to TikTok to test out products super quickly and then find out really fast if they're actual winners or not. Will they actually bring in sales or not? And if they don't, then it's on to the next product, obviously. But now I've found that out so much faster. And then if they do, of course, then now I've proven the concept with as little time and effort as I can possibly spend for a product that now I know will work. This approach has been so much better for me on both my own TikTok shop and TikTok affiliates. The minimum viable product approach has been my bread and butter for a while now, and it's made finding winning products so much quicker and so much easier, quite frankly. You can get through the no's and then get to the yeses much, much faster. So if you're tired of spending hours making TikTok videos that may or may not work, check out vidx.io. Give it a try through that first link in the description. It could be exactly what you need to take your store to the next level, whether you're doing affiliates or selling on your own TikTok shop. You'll get pro level videos sent right to you in just a few days, and it is stupidly easy to use the site as well. You don't need any editing skills or really anything special. You can just send them the link to the product, wherever that is or whoever the supplier is, and they'll do all the heavy lifting for you. But as always, guys, this just works for me, so I really hope it helps.